You can use your phone, your laptop. You can find a spot where it's quiet and it's peaceful. You can start typing, save your work, submit, and just like that, you're going to be making $50 every single minute, every single day from any part of the world. Now remember that in order to actually make money like this, you're going to have to follow all of our steps correctly. So make sure that you watch this whole video because we are going to be teaching you everything that you need to know. The sign-up process is 100% free. You're not going to have to shell out any amount of cash up front, and you won't need any skills or experience whatsoever. Even copy-pasting is acceptable if you're too tired to type on your own. Now, summer today's video, we are going to be sharing with you another bonus website that's going to pay you twice as much as the first website, but just by doing the exact same thing. It's crazy because not a lot of people know about this, and today just might be your lucky day. Definitely stay until the very last second of this video to get all of our special and effective tips as well as the bonus website that we mentioned a few seconds ago. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First things first, we want you to open up your mobile phones or your laptop. If you're going to choose to work on your smartphone, then it's best to remember that this works on Android and iOS, so there's nothing to be worried about. And for today's video, we are going to be on our laptop, and then open up your default browser. And I want you to start by typing in typingtest.com, and on this website we're going to have you complete a 60-second typing test. Now I want you to click on typing test, and as you can see here, it says check your typing skills in a minute. Type away to join 150 million test takers. If you go over here, you can choose how long you want your typing tests to be, and also you can choose what type of typing test you want to take. Now I want you to choose 1 minute and then easy text, and then we're going to have you click on start test. You're not going to see this page where the text that you're going to complete will be shown on the screen. You can immediately just start typing below the text that you're supposed to copy. And then on the upper left, you will see the timer of 1 minute as well. You're also going to find that there are 2 modes, normal and pro. But since we're just taking this as an example, we want you to just choose the normal mode. So once you start typing, the timer will start ticking down, and you're going to have to type as many words as you can correctly or finish the whole text under a whole minute. And we're going to show you how it's done, but basically that's it. Then you're going to see that as soon as your time is up, you're going to start analyzing results, and boom, your test scores will be revealed, and you're going to see your typing speed, the accuracy, as well as your net speed. You can also see pretty much your level as an average typist, which is pretty cool. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. And now that we're finished with that, we want you to go on over to typing courses, and it is in this part of the website that you're offered free lessons as training so you can improve your typing skills. And you might be confused at this point because you're going to need this for the website that we're going to be talking to you about, because your method of making money for the coming website will be typing. So this typing step is a very crucial step. Again, all of these lessons are free, so we highly suggest that you take the lessons before you proceed to the real money-making websites, because the faster you type, the more money you can actually make. Our first website is called rev.com, and let's just type that on our default browser. And then this is what you're going to see. As you can see, their methods are transcription, wherein you can earn $1.25 per minute, and this position will require you to convert audio or video to text, which is what transcription means. The next one is captions, which is also pays you out $1.25 per minute. And here, all you're going to need to do is caption videos that you're going to be assigned to. And the last one is foreign subtitles, which will pay you $3 to $7 per minute. And for this part, you're going to need to translate videos with foreign subtitles, obviously. The last one pays more because it's much harder. It takes more skill than the first two that were mentioned. If you scroll down, you're going to read all of this information right here. That's going to be very useful. So we do suggest that you read all of this when you actually visit the site. Now, we want you to go to the most bottom part of the webpage and find the Become a Freelancer button, and then go ahead and click on that. As you can see, Rev claims that you can create a flexible work schedule, you can choose from hundreds of jobs, and you can get paid quickly. You're gonna then just fill up the sign up form, and then of course don't forget to choose the position that you're applying for so that they can review you based on the position that you want to apply for. Once you've completed that, you can go ahead and click next and then get started. So just imagine earning $1.25 per minute, okay? You're going to be making a lot of money, to say the least. So basically, that's what you're going to do for this website. And let us know how it goes for you. Make sure you try it out. And our next website is called transcribeme.com. And it's going to look like this when you go on the page. And if you scroll down a little, you're going to see that they do data annotation, transcription, translation, and AI datasets. If you scroll down some more, you're going to see some more information about the websites and its services or offers. Now, the process to sign up is pretty simple. Again, no matter what part of the world you're from, you may be able to apply and earn money, so don't worry about that. Anyway, we want you to click on jobs over here, and then you're going to see that they have a lot of jobs, right? You're going to need to sign up per usual, and we won't go about that one because you already know how it's done. You know the process. It's simple, just your personal information and the like. So if you can see, there is a part where you will need to choose your transcription language, which is basically choosing the language you'll be transcribing in. And then once you're all done filling everything up, just click create profile, and then that's it, you're in. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So the typing test that we tackled earlier plays a really crucial role in this because for both Rev and transcribeme.com, you will be made to submit your typing test result, and they have a standard for this that you need to pass or else you're not going to be accepted. So keep in mind that before anything else, you need to take the typing test above all things. Maybe practice a little or take the test more times than one so that you can get the highest possible speed, enough for you to pass your application. So a little recap, okay, before you end today's video, before you wrap things up, before you start going on that website and doing your thing. First things first, open up typingtest.com, take a typing test to make sure you get pretty good ratings, pretty good test scores so that you can get into rev.com and transcribeme.com. Take the typing courses that are free of charge, so literally you should take advantage of that. And then once you've done that, you can open up rev.com, sign up, apply as a transcriptionist, go on to transcribeme.com, do the exact same thing, and then just start earning money in a snap of a finger. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.